everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Reality TV show and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngothando nesithembu. Yay, emva ukuthi ke kuphele ke useason 9 kulokho kukhulunywe njalo ngendaba ke kababa ke uMseleko kanye ke noMakhumalo. Ngizokhumbula ukuthi guys in my previous video baMseleko waposta wonke amakhosikazi akhe, wangamposta ke uMakhumalo. Abantu ke bacomment bacomplaina basho ukuthi hey uMseleko uvela kamfuna uMakhumalo kwathini so namhlanje guys umpostile ke waposta isithombe wathi kofa inja iyolahlwa, mhlawumbe kushuthi ke besho ukuthi ke bathandana ke. Waphinda waposta ke uMakhumalo kanye noMpilo wathi my family bamngenela abantu ke kuma comment abanye bathi useqala ukumposta ngona kusekuzophela inyanga ngoba phela vele uMakhumalo kufanele kube khona imali ayikhiphayo to for ifamily ke yakwaMthombeni yokondla ke ifamily ke yakwaMthombeni. Uthomunye ke Thobile did say you run to social media to post and make it seems like you guys are okay even though you are not. Uyathanda ukusikhulumisa mfethu. Wathi komunye, where are the new pictures from the diary session? Uthobile send a short hair that's sponsored with Hairline Manje. Gokflow visited you last night. You have a beautiful family. So baqala bakhomenta abantu bathi yadabisa into kaMakhumalo nengane yakhe ngalinye ilanga uyophendula kuye uGokflow. Siyabonga ayibandla. So guys baMthombeni uyathanda ukusikhulumisa. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abathanda mangabe ke abantu bekhuluma ke indaba zakwaMseleko, but guys iqiniso ukuthi ifamily yakaMseleko iya understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sikhokhela iDStv sibabuke sicomment and as sikhomenta kwenza ukuthi bagcine bebukwa kakhulu and ke ishow yabo iphinde ithole elinye ithuba lokuthi babuye futhi, yabo. So akuzona zonke izinto ezinhle abantu abazokhuluma ngazo la einkundleni zokuxhumana. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu ke abathande mangabantu bekhuluma ngene indaba zemizi yabantu kwathini, but as for ifamily kaMseleko guys, baMseleko washo ukuthi ke abantu bayakhuluma, abanye bamlingisela benza inini kuningi okwenziwa abantu, but yonke leyo nto leyo iyiphusha ukuthi babeke nama viewers baphinde babuye futhi for another season. So nje guys ihlisana umoya ningacasuki bakithi lento esukenziwa abantu ngokukhuluma ngama reality TV show isukenzela ukuthi aphinde abuye futhi ke nje abantu basuke benelungelo ngoba phela siyibuka ku TV endlini la sohlala khona, siyayikhokhela bese siyayibuka bese bona basikhombisa indaba zabo bese siyakhomenta ke ngazo, and akubona bonke abantu bazokhomenta ngokuhle kuphela, abanye bazokhomenta ke nangezinto ezimba bayibona ke zenzeka. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below and share your opinion. Bye.